Hey everyone, this is Bob from TrueOnlineRiches.com and this is Bob's Den. In this quick Vero review video, I'd like to show you how to use the Vero app. So I'll quickly go to my Vero app and open it up. So once you tap your Vero app icon, this is how you're welcomed with. This is your basic feed you have once you're in there. So before I go ahead and show you how to post a video or image, I'll quickly go to these navigation icons here on top right hand corner. The first one you have is a search. You can search for people, hashtags, photos, videos, and all those kinds of good stuff there. And you can also go through popular hashtags and products and featured users, and all those stuff are under the magnifying glass or the search bar there. So next online is your dashboard. So this is where you have all the connections you have and the followers and followings. Like I said, I don't have much people in here as of now. So maybe you can search me and find me and follow me. We can connect. We can get connected here over at Vero. That'll be great. So over at the bottom, you have your all the posts you ever had. So it's kind of similar to Instagram. You have your grid view and your list view. So these are all the posts I have made on Vero as of now. When you have connections, you can group them as acquaintances. Like I have one connection here, you can group them as acquaintance, friend, or a close friend. And that would actually help you when you make a post. I'll show you in a bit. So once you're done there, before I go from here, there's setting tab there. This is where you can change your name, your phone number, your email address, and if you're using an iPhone, you can connect your Apple Music, and I'm pretty sure if you're an Android user, you will have the Google Play option there, and all the other settings are under here. And you can also invite your friends over to Vero using this invite icon, and this is a cool stuff they do. Like they give you this online card kind of thing. You can get the link from hitting or tapping the share this card button, and that will make your phone to pop up all the social media apps on your phone, and you can send this card to your friends and invite them over to Vero. Same thing applies to SMS and mail as well. So anyways, next is the collections. This is a unique feature Vero has. So let's go tap on photos and videos. So this is all the images and videos I have shared and people who I follow have shared. They kind of curate everything under these sections: photos and videos, links and musics, etc. So this is a link I have shared earlier today, and all these links are being promoted by Vero, I guess, or the people. I have followed some featured users, I guess, so probably they're promoting some stuff. And same goes with movies. And if you share a movie, you can check that out by tapping on them. Let's tap on Black Panther really quick, and when you scroll down, that kind of gives you a cool animation with that image there. And the other cool stuff is when you tap on the more icon or arrow there, it kind of takes you to this kind of snapshot with synopsis and cast and everything, and you never have to leave the Vero app. You can check out the trailers here and all the good stuff related to that particular topic. So this is being recommended by Max Joseph. I follow him here, so that's how I think it kind of showed up on my feed. Anyway, same goes with TV shows and stuff like that. You can also search for stuff too, like use the search bar here, and you can search those over there. And next is notification. Pretty basic stuff. It shows all your likes and comments on your post, and this is kind of like the DM and Instagram over in Vero. It's kind of the chat option. So that's about it. Just a overall walkthrough. And to post something, all you have to do is to tap on this plus icon here, and that'll make your phone pop up the screen. And to post an image or video, tap on camera, and I haven't enabled my camera access yet, so that's why you see that access denied there. Or you can just tap on a picture or an image and just make your editings there if you have any, and click next. And this is where you can choose who you want to see your post. So you can either go with acquaintance or friends and close friends, or you can just tap the fourth icon there, the binocular icons, and that means it is a public post you're doing. Once you're done with that, hit post, and that's how you post your Vero post. And same thing goes with links and all the other good stuff. You can hit link here and paste a link onto the enter address area there and hit go, and that will show up. This is a YouTube video I did on what Vero is a couple days ago, and I kind of shared this as well. So the thing is, like, you don't have to leave the app. Once you're done with editing, and if you're happy with what you have selected, hit next, and that will actually get you to post that link as well. Unlike any other social media platforms, what makes Vero stand out is that it doesn't have any algorithms or advertisements like other social media platforms have, like Facebook or Instagram. So they don't hold back your post from showing it to your followers. When you share a post, it is shown to your followers as it happens when it happened. That's what they claim. So there's my quick review and how to use the Vero app video. If you have any questions or comments at all, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll come up with the video. And other than that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.